Hello everyone, my name is Kamlan and I am a database professional with over 11 years of experience in the field. Um, well, if you are a DBA or you are aspiring data professional or you are just curious about the databases or you are you know professional DBA, then this is the right place for you. I will be um, guiding you or you can say that I will be implementing different strategies, solutions for different databases like Oracle, MySQL, DB2, MongoDB, uh, etc. I have worked with various organizations tackling complex challenges, and I am excited to share my knowledge, my experience with you guys. Uh, and this is my first video, and I'll hope you will enjoy it. As you know, before every database installation, there's some OS on which we install the database, right? So uh, throughout my career, I have used many operating systems like Windows, Linux, Solaris, Spark, AIX, etc. But the most used OS is Linux. So in this video, I'll be uh, you know install Linux on VMware Workstation. So let's start. Okay, so in typical there will be no there will be a few easy steps, and then you don't need to I mean add extra steps. In custom, then you have the advanced you know control with the every option. So we'll go with the custom so that you can understand every step. Okay, so these are the the VMware Workstation version compatibility. So I'll go with the latest one. Okay, so here it is asking about the ISO image. I have already the ISO image of Oracle Linux 7.6, so I will, yeah, here it is. So it says I will install the operating system later, so I will not check this radio button. I will go with it. Here it is asking about the virtual machine name, so I will just type MySQL VM. You can type any name you want. Here it is asking about the location where it will be, it will save uh, it will save its files also. Okay, it is asking about the processors and cores. I think it's okay. You can give it with 2 cores. Okay, I think 1 GB is enough, but we will go with 204. Okay, so it is asking about the network configuration. With every network connection, it is mentioned how you can use it. So with host only, I will use the host only networking, so it will only work with this host on my laptop and the VM. So because it has the private virtual network adapter, so it will just connect to this laptop system. Okay, so this is the SCSI controller. Virtual disk type is IDE. SCSI is recommended. Okay, yeah, you will create a new virtual disk with the 20 GB. Yeah, it's okay. I will give 30 GB. Okay, so I will store it in a single file. If you allocate all disk space now, then it will, allocate 30 GB right now. But if you don't check this one, then it will, dynamically extend as per your um, when the data increases. Okay, so this is the VMDK. Okay, it will show you every detail of this machine. So this is how VM is created. Then we will now install the Linux, Oracle Linux 7.6. Okay, just enter here, enter again. Okay, it is asking about which language you want to use for the installation process. So we'll go with the English. Okay, you can set the date and time. I will click it here, and this is Keshe Karachi, right? So the time right now is 11:50. It's 5. Right. Okay. The installation source is the the local media. I mean the ISO image. So okay. So here you need to select graphical interface. Okay. So if you don't check it, then GUI will not be installed. So make sure you select it, and there are compatibility libraries where it is. Compatibility libraries. Yes, this one, development tools, and I think this is enough. Yeah, it's enough. Okay, so now checking the software dependencies, it will be automatically resolved, and this is the partitions. Okay, this is you can do it automatically. Okay, so it will automatically configure the partitioning. Then you can also do it manually, so it will ask you about every partition that you want to use. So it is asking if you want to use LVM or any standard partition. I will go with the LVM. Okay. So we will have I think we have 2 GB RAM, then we can go with the 4096 RAM drive size, and then we can have a separate mount point for MySQL. Yeah, capacity will be let's see, and give it 10 GB. Oh, it's not G. Okay, I think the remaining will be to the root. So if you add this, then 16 GB will go to the root. Okay, so I think this is enough. We can do. Okay, we need to add another mount point, which is boot. Okay. This 15 gigs. Add another one to the boot. 200 MB is enough, but since we have 1 GB, yeah. So it will tell you that it will destroy the whole uh, disk, and then it will create all partitions. So you need to accept the changes, and it will be done automatically. You will disable care dump and network host. Yeah, so you can give your machine host name MySQL 8 dot test.com. Yeah, you can type lab.com. Okay, network is enabled. You can configure its IP address. You need to disable this, and we will enable this one with manual IP address. Let's say 192.168.10.5. All right. Okay. Apply. Done. Security policy. You can disable it if you want to enable it, then you can enable it. Okay, so it is now installing the Oracle Linux. Let us set the root password, root.123, root.123, done. It is suggesting that the password is too weak, and if you want to use this password, then hit the done button again. So yeah, user creation, we don't need to create any user. I will skip this till the installation is completed. Installation is almost completed. Just performing the post installation steps. If you have any questions or you have any ambiguity, then you can freely ask me in the comment section. I will gladly answer them. Okay, so it is completed. About 7 to 10 minutes it took with the 2 GB RAM for this VM, and we are going to reboot this VM now. So in this video we configured a VM on VMware Workstation and then installed Oracle Linux on it. If you have any question, then you can ask me in the comment section. You need to accept the license agreement. Network, it is off. Network is on. I have already input the host name and the IP addresses. Okay, let's finish configuration. So in about 15 minutes we completed this configuration with installation of Oracle Linux. In the next video I will tell you about how to install MySQL on Linux. We will be using MySQL, probably MySQL 8. So okay, let's see. Kamran. Kamran 123. Kamran 123. Try avoid common words. Okay. See you in the next video with I will be okay, what is this? Okay, so yeah, so Linux installation is completed. In the next video we will um, I will tell you how to install MySQL 8 on Oracle Linux, right? Till then, goodbye.